Hello class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you English literature, your chapter 3, Enjoy in the Park. Open your book and page number 17. In this chapter, Sonu and Monu are siblings. They went to the park and they enjoyed lot there. Now let's go through with this chapter. Look at the inside. It is a nice and enjoyable to do the outing. Do you go out for picnic? Where do you go? Let us find what Sonu and Monu are doing. Lot of time you already went to the park with your family and friends. Now let's start with this chapter. One day Sonu and Monu went to a park with their mummy. They carried a picnic basket with lots of nice things to eat. They also took a ball to play with and a loaf of bread for the ducks. One day Sonu and Monu went to the park with their mother and they bring some lots of nice things to eat like fruity, chips, kurkure and sandwiches, and they took also ball to play and some bread crumbs and loaf of bread. Loaf of bread is a slice of bread. Okay, one slice of bread is called loaf of bread for ducks. When they went to the pond first, the duck were happy to see them. They came to them for crumbs. Sonu and Monu gave them the crumbs. It was nice to watch the duck eat the bread. Sonu and Monu then went to playground. The playground was full of children. They did not find an empty swings. Monu saw his friend Amit waving out to him from the seesaw. When they entered park, firstly they went to the pond. Pond is the watered area in the park. There are some ducks and they gave them some bread crumbs. Okay, the pieces of bread. And it was nice to watch the duck was eating bread. After that they went to the playing area. Here lots of children are playing and they did not find any empty swings. After that Monu saw his friend Amit is waving, shaking her hand and calling Monu to play with him. Okay. Now turn your page. Monu ran to meet him. Sonu waited for his turn at the swing. Mummy said to Sonu, please don't stand too close to the swing. Sonu, you may get hurt. Next, they went to the seesaw. Monu and Amit wanted to sit together on one end of the seesaw. The seesaw will not work with only me. It will be stuck up in the air, shouted Sonu. So they took their places on two sides of the seesaw and enjoyed. It was a great fun. After that, they ran to meet with Amit and Sonu waited for his turn. He is waited for his turn for what? For swing. But what happened? The swing, he stand very close to swing, but it was very dangerous. Okay, then his mother said, don't stand near to swing. Next, they went to seesaw. Monu and Amit want to sit together in same side. Okay, the seesaw will not work properly if they sit together. It will be stuck up if they sit together. After that, they sit two sides of the seesaw and enjoyed. That was great fun. Come, let us eat now, called Mummy. You must be hungry. After that, Sonu's mother called him for lunch. Okay, let us find a cool place to sit down, said Monu. Monu said to want to sit some cool place. Okay, they sat on the bench near the pond. Where they sit? They sit in the bench near the pond. Mummy took out the food from the basket. Mummy took out nice things which they bring for their basket. They had sandwiches, banana, oranges and fruit juice. After they had finished, Sonu and Monu clean up the place. After they finish their nice things, their food, and they clean their place. That is very good habit. Okay, also they put the rubbish and the peels in the dustbin. Rubbish is also hard word and peels is also hard word. Rubbish means a wrapper or covered paper. Okay, and peels, banana peel, oranges peel, bahar, it's a covered. Let us play with the ball now. After having a lunch food, they play with their ball. Said Sonu, I will also play with you. Said Mama. Mama also want to play with them. Sonu and Monu stood on one side and Mama on another side. Sonu and Monu stand one side and Mama another side. Sonu and Monu were running and jumping to catch the ball. Mommy did not have to run much. Sonu and Monu running and jumping to catch the ball because they are kids, they enjoyed, but Mama is very sincere. She only catch the ball. Suddenly, a big brown dog came running up to them. After what happened? Suddenly a brown dog came here. It jumped up and caught the ball and it ran back its owner. Dropped it. Owner is the master of dog who tamed dog. Okay. Dropped it, said the owner. So owner said to dog to leave the ball. Okay. The dog dropped the ball and started wagging its tail. Wagging its tail means moving. Its tail is moving when they drop the ball. Good dog, Monu said, but he did not touch the dog. What happened? They did not touch the dog, but she said that the dog is good dog. It's time to go, said Mama. Mama said, now it's time to go. Sonu and Monu waved goodbye to Amit. They walked back home. What a nice picnic Sonu and Monu had at the park. They enjoyed a lot in the park. After that, they waved and goodbye to Amit and they come back their home. Okay. Now this is the story of Sonu and Monu. They enjoyed a lot in the park. You also enjoyed a lot in the park and other outdoor places. Now see here are some hard words for you. Do this hard word. Write two times these hard words in your notebook and learn this word meanings also. Carried means took with them, bring with them. Okay, stuck up is hang or not move. Rubbish means waste things like wrapper, peel of fruits. Peels outer covering of fruits. Okay. Honor is a master who tamed a dog. Wagging means moving. Now here is your chapter is completed. I will send you worksheet. Do word meanings. Do difficult words, hard words in your notebook, and after that you have to do some word meanings and then question answers, and other exercise you have to do only in your book. Okay, don't do in your notebook, only do these exercise in your book only. Now take care and bye bye all of you, class second.